Most people do not lose when they fail. They lose when they decide the story is over. A rejection becomes I'm not good enough. A mistake becomes I will never figure this out. One bad year becomes this is just who I am. The event is not what defeats you. The meaning you attach to it is. Here is something strange about life. It does not care how many times you fall. It only asks one question. Are you still moving? And you need to think about it. If you are alive today, there are still conversations you have not had, skills you have not learned, places you have not seen, and versions of yourself that have not existed yet. So, how can you declare yourself defeated before the story has even finished? Most people surrender long before life asks them to. They retire from their dreams at 25 and simply wait to grow old. That's not defeat, that's psychological surrender. The human mind is incredible. It can turn one failure into permanent hopelessness. But it can also turn one tiny win into unstoppable momentum. The difference is not talent, it's interpretation. As long as you are breathing, tomorrow is still available. You can rebuild your body, relearn a skill, repair a relationship, start a business, change your identity. None of those doors are locked until your final breath. So stop acting like today's chapter is the entire book. Because until death, no loss is truly final, no failure is permanent, and no defeat is complete. Unless your mind decides it is. So wake up tomorrow, take one more step, then another, because the only person who can write the end before life does is you.